Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are gonna review this super light clay or foam clay, and I have bought the package and you can see it has 12 colors in it. Basically इसमें different colors आते हैं बस but I asked my brother to bring more of a white clay, so I bought 3 white and almost 2 pink and peach kind of a color because I wanted light clay. Later on I regretted, but in the packaging itself you are not gonna get these colors. In other packaging it has purple and different kind of a colors it has. No, one color is not repeating, but again मुझे चाहिए था इसलिए मैंने मंगवाया था. Now this packet, which contains 12 clay, different colors of clay, this is kind of a manual which I'm showing you in the video, and I wasn't able to understand it properly, or I didn't want it to make something like human figure or living being. I didn't want it to make, so it is of no use. But उसमें दिया हुआ है, if you want to just go through it, so आप जाके देख सकते हैं और उसको follow करके whatever you want to make, you can try it out. Along with that we are getting these 3 clay tools जो जिसकी क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है, बट ऑब्वियसली 60 रुपीज़ में यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट मच बिकॉज द राउंड पार्ट इट्सेल्फ इज़ वेरी रफ, सो आप उसको अच्छे से यूज़ नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो अगेन बट ठीक है, यूल गेट द हैंग ऑफ टूल्स एज वेल, तो उसके लिए अच्छा है. एज़ फार एज दिस होल किट इज़ कंसर्न, आई थिंक इट इज़ अ बेस्ट ऑप्शन टू बाय बिकॉज एक तो बहुत ज़्यादा चीप है, उसके बाद यू नो दैट these foam clays are very trendy these days. Next thing, let's talk about the price. The price of this clay is 60 rupees. I have checked on Amazon. It was showing 150 rupees for one package, so go out, explore your local stationery and buy it from them because वहाँ पे आपको ज़्यादा सस्ता पड़ेगा. One of the main benefits of super light clay or foam clay is its lightweight nature. Unlike traditional modeling clay or air dry clay or molded clay, these clays are very heavy and it is very difficult to mold and shape. But when we are talking about foam clay, the benefit you can say is to that we can easily mold them or shape them in any form we want. And you can see yourself that these are not sticky ones, so that is the best thing I can say. One potential drawback of foam clay is its durability, because it is so lightweight it may not hold up as well over time as heavier materials. So additionally it may not be suitable for certain projects that require a more substantial or durable material. But overall I can say super light clay or foam clay is a great option for artists and crafters who are looking for a lightweight, easy to use materials. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, foam clay is definitely worth considering because I just love it, and it is very affordable and very cheap that you can buy and you can experiment. Because we can, again I'll say that we experiment with the cheap things more comfortably without any hesitation of being damaging or destroying or wasting. As most of you know that by the end of my review video I make something out of that product which I am reviewing. So here I have decided to make a very cute and very easy flower. Like if you are not an artist, then also you'll be able to make it. So I'll make a fridge magnet of flower, and it is very easy to make. Just roll it out and divide that clay in 6 part, like equal 6 part, and we are gonna roll it. Okay, I tried one of the tools that came with this package, but unfortunately it didn't work out that well. Like you have to press it a lot, or I think I should have placed it on my table and then cut it out. So basically we have to make 6 balls out of these clay, just like the way we roll like we make the ball of buns and chapatis. Just like that we have to make a balls. We have to stick all these 6 balls together, and we don't need any kind of fevicol or anything. वो खुद ही से चिपक जाएंगे, and that is one of the good thing about clays, that they stick together if they aren't dried, and we don't need any fevicol or anything. Just like the way I'm doing in the video, you have to stick them together. See, it has already taken the shape of a flower. Now you can give a shape with your hands if you think that shape इधर उधर हो रही है. इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग विथ वाइट क्ले लाइक मी देन मेक श्योर कि आपकी जगह जो हो बिल्कुल साफ़ हो. माइन वॉज ऑल्सो क्लीन बट इवन अ स्मॉलेस्ट जस्ट पार्टिकल या कुछ भी वीडियो में नहीं पता चला बट स्टिल इट वॉज स्टिकिंग सो इट वोंट लुक गुड अल्टीमेटली. सो मेक श्योर योर स्पेस and your hands and everything is neat and clean and you're working if you are working with the white clay. Now I'm gonna take the yellow one and I'll just take a small or like I just want one ball. So मैं बहुत ही थोड़ा सा amount लूँगी, very small amount of clay I'll take and again I'll just keep it back और मैं इसको seal कर दूँगी. Now you have to place this ball in the center. See how pretty it is looking and it has already taken the shape of a flower and it is a very cute flower. Okay, when I was applying the yellow ball हल्का सा वो white वाले पे touch हो गया था and I'm trying to remove it but वो हट नहीं रहा है. Even I tried the clay tool but वो it is not removing from that. So again आपका अगर कोई भी दूसरा कलर टच होगा तो वो वहाँ से remove नहीं होगा. As you can see I have used this clay tool then also it is not removing from that. Last but not the least we are gonna stick the magnet. Again I had first applied the magnet without any favicol or adhesive so it came out. So make sure to apply any kind of adhesive or favicol at the back of it to stick that magnet, otherwise वो बाहर आ जाएगा. So it is of no use because these clay are very light so ये hold नहीं कर पाएंगी magnet को. So you have to apply any kind of adhesive on the back of it. So our easy peasy fridge magnet is ready and I'll try to make a separate video the things which we can make with foam clay so that we can explore more and we can experiment और बहुत सारी चीज़ हम न्यू ट्राई कर सकते हैं. So as you can see यहाँ पे मैंने like I just applied it on my fridge to show you guys that it is sticking. इस टाइम पे मेरा फेविकॉल नहीं लगा हुआ था और मैंने जब निकाला तो मैग्नेट तो वहीं पे रह गया और मेरा फ्लावर बाहर आ गया. So make sure to apply फेविकॉल. So yeah, that was all and I think you should buy this product if you are interested in clay art. Do try it out and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. So that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.